Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to explain you about the functionality of the highlights option in the patient register. The highlight option is used to notify or alert the users about patients having allergies or if any previous users have added any notes that requires attention before doing any treatment. So now let's see how to add the highlights and how it will alert the users. So to do this, please go to the patient register. Let me select any patient. Have taken a test patient here. Click on the highlights tab and click on this plus icon and add the highlights that needs to be added. You can also add the notes as well as if the patient is having any allergies that needs to be notified, you can enter here. And you can also select the reported date here. Let me check in the medical records. Now I have the doctor's account here and let me open the patient. So you will be getting the pop-up, that is the highlights pop-up here. Whenever we open the patient's record, the highlights pop-up will be displayed so that the doctors or the nurse, whichever user is opening this patient's medical records, can view the highlights, whatever they have. If you want to add any new highlights, you can just click on this plus icon and you can add it here. And you will be having the highlights icon here. Just click on this icon and you can view. If you want to add, you can add it here. You will be able to add multiple highlights. So this is how you have to add the highlights as well as you have to view the highlights in the medical records. And thanks for watching. Bye.